Yo, what's going on, young Padawans? Today, we're going to start another series on Mario. I want you guys to do a curved line like this, and then you are going to bring this down a little bit in, and then we're going to give it a curve on the bottom, just like that. We're going to go to the corner, drop down a little bit, to the corner, drop down just a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and give ourselves a mushroom top, all right? This one's going to be slow. Make it high enough. Make it wide enough. And if you have to change up your direction in order to do so, that's all right. Now, this is going to be our mushroom from Mario. But one thing that you might notice is it's going to have some pretty thick lines, so we can always make some adjustments to our drawing, which is really nice to do, especially when you're working with permanent marker and not doing it with pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and make some thicker lines and color them in. All right, so now since we got the outline done, we're gonna go ahead and give ourselves our circle in the middle and then our two kind of moon shapes on the corners for the actual dots that we're using for the actual mushroom. Now, they're not outlined because it's just color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and draw a circle in the center to the best of my ability with my red, and then that's going to be my border. Same thing, I'm going to go to about the middle, and then I'm going to do a slight curve this way and cut it up on the side over here. Go about the same width on this side, same height, try to find the middle, and then you're going to connect that. So now that's all you're going to have as far as the actual white dots go. Now we're going to go ahead and get into the coloring. Okay, so now that we have the basics done, just the red and just the tan, I'm gonna go ahead and give it some shadow. All right, so now that I finished my shadows, I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a quick little background. Then I'm gonna get that colored and we'll be out of here shortly. Now, since I have red as my main color here, I'm gonna go ahead and use a complement color for my background. So I chose this dark, deep green, give that red an extra little bit of pop. All right, guys, well, there you go. There you have it. There's our Mario mushroom done with the Ohuhu alcohol markers. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to go ahead and get some more Mario stuff out to you guys as soon as possible. I really enjoy these drawings. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out ASAP. I'll see you guys in a few. Peace.